Hello and welcome. I'm Aditi from iCris Pharma Network. Warm greetings to everyone shaping the future of global healthcare. Let's explore what digital therapeutics, DTX, are clinically tested medical treatments delivered through software to prevent, manage, or treat diseases just like traditional medicines but in digital form. Their story began over 2 decades ago when researchers started asking a bold question: what if software could deliver real medicine? In the early 2000s, pioneers began using digital programs to treat conditions like substance use disorder and insomnia. In 2010, the term digital therapeutics was formally introduced. And in 2017, the US FDA cleared the first prescription digital therapeutic, marking the moment software officially became medicine. Today, DTX are transforming how we treat chronic and behavioral health conditions. Unlike wellness apps, digital therapeutics are clinically validated, regulated medical interventions delivered through software. Many require prescriptions and are supported by randomized clinical trials, just like traditional drugs. The global DTX market is projected to exceed $25 billion by 2030, growing more than 20% annually. Meanwhile, over 350 million people worldwide live with chronic diseases that require long-term behavior change, from diabetes and heart disease to ADHD and depression. Nearly half of patients struggle to follow prescribed treatments. Digital therapeutics close that gap, guiding patients daily with personalized prompts, cognitive training, glucose monitoring, sleep coaching, and behavior change programs. In diabetes care alone, digital interventions have reduced HbA1c levels by up to 1%, comparable to some medications. They've also lowered hospital admissions by 15-20% in chronic populations. As healthcare systems face rising costs and physician shortages, digital therapeutics offer scalable, evidence-based care delivered through smartphones and connected devices. The future of medicine isn't only biological, it's behavioral, it's digital, and it has already begun. Digital therapeutics, transforming chronic care through technology. Thank you for watching.